everyone, it's Bonnie Durkin, and today is Tapping Tuesday. You know, a lot of us are living most of our lives in our heads, spinning in our thoughts. We aren't really present in our now moments. We're aware of what we're actually doing or thinking about. We're kind of operating on automatic, and unfortunately, for a lot of us, our thoughts automatically go to the negative or worst case scenarios. So this week, I'm going to teach you how to use what I like to call right now in this moment tapping. And this is going to help you to anchor yourself into the present moment. This tapping goes along with our process of the week, press pause. The most effective way to do this tapping is to do the press pause process first and then do the tapping. It's this whole thing shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes, and the link to the process, if you don't know how to do it, is going to be in the video description. So I want you to take a nice deep breath. And let's just assume that you've already done the press pause process. And we're going to start on the karate chop and just repeat what I say and do what I do. So even though I'm thinking about things that don't feel good, right now in this moment, all is well. Even though I'm thinking about things that don't feel very good. Right now, in this moment, nothing is going wrong with me. Even though I'm thinking about things that don't feel very good. Right now, in this moment, I am safe. Right now, in this moment, all is well. Right now, in this moment, nothing's going wrong. Right now, in this moment, I am safe. Right now, all is well. Right now, I'm okay. Right now, I am safe. So just take a nice deep breath and feel into that. And just know that you can just keep saying soothing words to yourself over and over again until you feel like you're anchored in the moment and that you feel like you're safe and all is well. So I hope you found this helpful, and have a wonderful rest of your day.